friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we'll do the exercise 3.1 from chapter 3, playing with numbers. Question 1, write all factor of following numbers. So first question is 24. Friends, here we have to write the factor of 24. We have to start multiplying by 1. So we can write 1 into 24 equal to 1 into 24, 24. Now 2 into 12 is also equal to 24. 3 8 is 24. 4 6 is 24. 8 3 is 24. But here it has been repeated. 3 8 is 24. If I write 8 3 is 24, the meaning will be same. So friends, here factor are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So we can write factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we do the next question. So here we can write 1 into 15. Then it is not comes in the table of 2. Then 3 5 is 15. 4 it is not comes in the table of 4. Then 5 into 3 15. But 5 into, if I write 5 into 3, it will repeat 3 into 5. So we have to stop here. So the factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. So we can write factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. C 21. Here also we have to start from 1. 1 into 21. It is not comes in the table of 2. It is come in the table of 3. 3 7 is 21. Then 4 5 6 7. Again it comes in the table of 7. 3 is 21. But friends, here already we have written 3 into 7 21. If I write 7 into 3, it will be the same. So our factor is stopped here. Means the factor of 21 is 1, 3, 7 and 21. So we can write factor of 21 is 1, 3, 7 and 21. D 27. Here again we have to start from 1. 1 into 27. 27 is not comes in the table of 2, comes in the table of 3. So we can write 3 9 is 27. Then 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 3 is 27. So again it will be repeat 3 into 9, 9 into 3. So we have to stop here. The factor of 27 is 1, 3, 9 and 27. So we can write factors of 27 is 1, 3, 9 and 27. E 12. So again we have to start from 1. 1 into 12. 12 is come in the table of 2. So 2 6 is 12. 12 comes in the table of 3. So 3 4 ja 12. 12 is come in the table of 4, but 4 3 ja 12. Already we have written 3 into 4. So we have to stop here. The factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So you can write factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Again we have to do again question. F equal to 20. Again we have to start from 1. 1 into 20. 20 is come in the table of 2, so we can write 2 into 10. Not come in the table of 3. 20 is come in the table of 4, so 4 5 are 20. Then it's come in the table of 5 4 are 20. So that will be repeat. If I write 5 4 are 20, it is repeat of 4 into 5. So we have to stop here. So the factor of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So we can write factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next question. 18. 18 is, we have to again start from 1. So 1 into 18. 18 comes in the table of 2. So we can write 2 into 9. 18 comes in the table of 3. So we can write 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Now it is not come in the table of 4, 5. It again comes in the table of 6. So 6 3 are 18. But already we have written 3 into 6. So we have to stop here. The factor of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So here we can write factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. H 23. Friends, again we have to start from 1 into 23. But 23 not comes in the table of except 1 or 23. So we can write here factor of 23 is 1 and 23 itself. So the factor of 23 is 1 and 23. And the last question, J 30. 36. So 36, again we have to write 1 into 36. 36 come in the table of 2, so you can write 2 into 18. Again 36 comes in the table of 36, so we can write 3 into 12. 36 come in the table of 4, so 4 9 ja 36. It is not come in the table of 5. It's come in the table of 6. 6 6 ja 36. 7 8 9. So 9 4 ja 36. So we have to stop because already 4 into 9 we have written. So the factor of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. We don't have to write 2 times 6. So the factor of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. That's all from question 1.